ASC Engineered Solutions presents Dakota Systems. Saving time on installation saves money for installers. A versatile solution for installing trapeze and multi-tier trapeze pipe hangers that offers flexibility in the field, requires no special tools, installs faster than standard methods, and provides a clean, professional appearance in mechanical plumbing and HVAC applications. The Dakota Smart-Strut is available in pre-cut lengths to save time in the field and enables easy prefabrication of hangers. The unique slot profile is designed to easily attach Dakota Smart clamps, and the elongated holes on the ends offer the flexibility needed for fast installation of hanger rod. The Dakota Smart nuts allow the quickest installation of strut on 3/8" hanger rod in the industry. The Dakota Smart cap makes any 1 5/8" wide channel compatible with the Dakota system by adding the convenient slotted profile for easy attachment of Dakota Smart clamps. Smart caps are available in 12" and 24" lengths, quickly snap onto the channel, and are secured using the included threaded Dakota Smart receivers for fast installation or prefabrication. Adding smart caps to Dakota Smart-Strut allows back-to-back connectivity with a slotted profile on both sides. The Dakota slotted Smart receiver is also designed to add the push-click-done capability of the slotted profile to small sections of any 1 5/8" wide channel for easy attachment of Smart clamps. Slotted Smart receivers can also be added to Dakota Smart-Strut to allow back-to-back connectivity. Dakota Smart clamps are the product that brings the whole solution together, designed to bring the convenience of push-click-done installation to all Dakota Systems strut products featuring the slotted profile. Quickly and securely connect to Dakota Smart-Strut Smart caps and slotted Smart receivers with no tools required. Smart clamps come with a press tab for easy removal if relocation is needed. The Dakota system is designed to provide the fastest installation of trapeze and multi-tier trapeze hangers with the flexibility to be used as a comprehensive solution or as individual components to enhance performance of field installation or prefabrication of hanger assemblies. For faster, easier installation that saves time and money without sacrificing quality or professional appearance, choose Dakota Systems strut products available through ASC Engineered Solutions. Dakota Systems is a division of MagDaddy LLC.